I'm JT Nesbitt, and welcome back to Bienville Studios. Today on the Video Journal, I just want to do a quick update on the restoration of the Wraith. This project has been a lot of fun. It's something I've been doing sort of in my spare time. Obviously, I've got a lot of other projects going on. But while I've been restoring this motorcycle, I've been thinking a lot about the original intent for this machine. This was always supposed to be an homage to the board track racers of the 20s and 30s. And what's so lovely about this motorcycle is its proportion. It's so narrow, and the steering neck is so low, and the backbone hugs the engine so tightly. The more I look at it, and as it emerges from its fairly dilapidated state, the more I like having it around. Having this motorcycle on the lift and having the time to really go through this bike and fix all of the little things that weren't quite right when I first made it. Keep in mind that when this bike was first built, it was a mad dash to get it running for Alan Cathcart, who was flying in to do a test ride for the media. The engine didn't arrive until 3 days before Alan Cathcart flew in. And I actually had a nervous breakdown about 12 hours before he showed up. Nevertheless, we did eventually get it running. But back then, I just didn't have time to really go through all the little detail stuff to fix it and make it right. So here it is 20 years later, and I've been asked to restore some of my work. It's quite a comment on aging. Nevertheless, I've had the opportunity to go through and make a bunch of new parts and fix a few things. You'll notice, first off, that it's a return to the original dual Delorto setup with a carb support bracket that I built. I built the screens for the front and the rear of the chassis. That's what the original XP1 Bonneville Racer had. I just didn't have time to do it to this one. New battery box, new wiring harness, new fuel tank. What's left to do on this bike? Well, I still have to do the brakes, finish the fuel system, do a few things to the new fuel tank that I built, and do the fenders. But it's looking pretty good, and I just thought y'all all might like to have a look. Having this motorcycle back in my workshop is a great reminder that finishing a project is so difficult and takes time. I'm so fortunate to have this bike back in my life and to have the time to go back into it and do things the way I would have liked to have done 20 years ago.